Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is internal coherence. To think, to act, to shape life. Ladies and gentlemen, in every age of discovery and distraction, the quest for coherence, the inner harmony of thought, action and life remains timeless. Coherence is not escape from the world's noise. It is the art of moving in rhythm with the vast intelligence that sustains the cosmos itself. Modern physics speaks of hidden order in galaxies, biology of perfect balance within a single cell. The same quiet order invites the human mind and heart to align so that what is imagined, spoken and lived flows from a single steady source. Neuroscience shows that a calm, focused mind strengthens the neural networks of clarity and empathy. Quantum theory hints that observer and observed are never fully separate. These findings echo ancient insight. The universe is woven of relationship and resonance. To cultivate internal coherence is to participate consciously in that design, allowing thought, emotion and deed to vibrate with the deeper music of existence. Clear thinking begins not with speed but with space. Minutes of silent observation, reflective reading or deliberate questioning still the scatter of impressions. From this stillness, insight ripens and the mind becomes a faithful guide instead of a restless master. Ancient teachers from the Upanishads to the Stoics praised this pause where signal separates from noise and truth becomes audible. Action gives thought its body. When intention and deed unite, even the simplest task carries quiet power. To act coherently is to move neither from impulse nor fear, but from understanding tested in silence. The Bhagavad Gita calls this Karma Yoga, action offered without clinging to reward, steady in purpose yet free in spirit. Every habit formed, every relationship tended or ignored, every promise kept or broken builds the unseen architecture of destiny. Internal coherence turns this slow construction from accident to art. It asks not for perfection, but for steadiness, adaptability, and the courage to revise. Life shaped in this way ceases to be a chain of reactions and becomes a deliberate creation, an echo of the cosmic intelligence that breathes through stars and atoms alike. What's the way forward? Internal coherence grows through conscious cultivation on many fronts. Caring for personal health and fitness steadies the body as a vessel of purpose. Building skills and competencies sharpens the mind and equips it for meaningful work. Nurturing emotional energy through compassion and balanced living strengthens the heart's quiet power. Deepening connection and alignment with the divine cosmic intelligence opens a channel of guidance that transcends circumstances. When duty and aspiration are powered by such resonance, action gains clarity and endurance. Regular practice of these dimensions gradually becomes artistry, the lived mastery of coherence itself. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when thinking is clear, action becomes purposeful. When action is true, life gains the shape of meaning. Internal coherence is constancy, the quiet strength to stand steady while the world shifts. It is the meeting point of human effort and divine intelligence, where the personal and the cosmic speak the same language. In the revered Bhagavad Gita, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Lord Krishna, the master of yoga, guides the warrior Arjuna, the bearer of the bow. Established in union, act with freedom from attachment, O Arjuna. In that union of wisdom and courage, the mind shines, deeds resonate, and life itself becomes a radiant expression of the infinite order that moves the stars and the souls alike. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.